All right, so we are on page 4. We're starting with number 12. This is part 3. So here we go. Paige walks to the park 2/3 mile away. It takes her 16 minutes to get there. Paige wants to know her speed in miles per minute. So right away, we're going to write down the rate that they give us. The given rate. Or the GR. I might have written it GR on your paper. So what's our given rate? It is 2/3 mile in 16 minutes. All right, so which of those fractions represents Paige's speed in miles per minute? So miles per minute means miles on top, miles is on top, and minutes are on bottom. So see if you can decide which fraction you would use. My goodness. All right, number 13. Which division expression represents Paige's speed in miles per minute? So once you figure out which one of these, you're going to rewrite it. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. So which fraction represents Paige's speed in miles per minute? So miles is on top, minutes is on bottom. So 2/3 mile is on top, 16 minutes is on bottom. Now for 13, I want you to figure out which one of those would work. Would it be 16? Which one of those is equal to that right there? And raise your hand to check when you've got that. So now we're actually going to do the calculation. So we got 2/3 divided by 16. 2/3 divided by 16. Remember when we're doing, let's see, what page are we on? So this is 15 and this is 16. All right, so 2/3 stays the same. We change the division to multiplication. And what does 16 become? 16 becomes 1 over 16 because the way we write this is 16 over 1. So this becomes 1 over 16. And then you do the math. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 16 is, hold please, calculating. 16, my goodness. 16 times 3 is 48. Let's double check that and make sure that's true. Yes, that's true. So we have 2 over 48 as our answer for 16. That's her speed in miles per minute. And we can also simplify it to be 1 over 24. We'd simplify it by dividing by 2 on top and bottom. But either or will work. All right. So number 17. Let's see how far we are. Okay. Number 17. I could try to read it like the iReady people do. Lena skied downhill at a steady speed on a 3-mile slope. She reached the bottom of the slope in 1/4 hour. Lena wants to know her speed in miles per hour. That's pretty good. I'm an actress. Okay. Enough clowning. Okay. Lena skied downhill at a steady speed on a 3-mile slope. She reached the bottom of the slope in 1/4 hour. So our given rate, we have to write that for everything. We're going to put GR. I think that's what it says on yours. So she went down 3 miles in 1/4 hour. 1/4 hour. So which fraction represents Lena's speed in miles per hour? So I'm going to let you choose which fraction represents miles per hour. So miles should be on top and hours on bottom. Miles per hour. And then I want you to calculate what her speed is in miles per hour. That's 18. So do 17 and 18, and then raise your hand and I'll check them. So pause the video so that I can check your stuff before you move on. All right, so 19. This is the same problem. So which division expression represents Lena's speed in miles per hour? So her given rate is the same as up here. She went 3 miles in 1/4 hour. So which division expression shows her miles per hour? So if you did the one before, you would have gotten 3 over 1/4. So what is the next step? What does that become? Does it become 1/4 divided by 1/3? Does it become 3 divided by 1/4? Does it become 1/3 divided by 1/4? Or does it become 1/4 divided by 3? And then 20, you're going to do the calculations. So miles per hour. So we're doing 3 divided by 1/4. That's going to become what? It's 3 over 1. That's keep. We changed it to multiplication. So that's keep, change, and then the last step is flip. And then you multiply straight across. So I'm going to let you guys finish 20 and 21 and then raise your hand and I'll check.